Today we are mastering an authentic Arabic shopping conversation. We will cover how to ask for prices, express if something is too expensive, ask for discounts, and finalize your purchase cleanly in modern standard Arabic.
Short explanations, direct translations, and clear repetitions. Let's dive into the first essential phrase.
Phrase number 1 is the absolute most important question for any shopper. How much is this? Used when pointing to a masculine item. Listen and repeat twice.
كم ثمن هذا؟ كم ثمن هذا؟
كم ثمن هذا؟ كم ثمن هذا؟
Perfect. Phrase number 2 is the exact same question but used for a feminine item. Listen and repeat twice. كم ثمن هذه؟ كم ثمن هذه؟ كم ثمن هذه؟ كم ثمن هذه؟ Word number 3 is what you call the physical marketplace or bazaar. Read it twice. السوق. 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 Word number 4 is the price itself. Read it twice. السعر. 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 Phrase number 5 is what you say when you are looking for a specific item. I am looking for. Read it twice. أنا أبحث عن. أنا أبحث عن.
أنا أبحث عن. أنا أبحث عن.
Now let's unlock your bargaining vocabulary. Phrase number 6 is your primary reaction when a vendor gives you a high price. This is very expensive. Read it twice. هذا غال جدا. هذا غال جدا.
هذا غال جدا. هذا غال جدا.
Phrase number 7 is how you politely ask the seller to lower the price. Can you give me a discount? Read it twice. هل يمكنك أن تخفض السعر؟ هل يمكنك أن تخفض السعر؟
هل يمكنك أن تخفض السعر؟ هل يمكنك أن تخفض السعر؟
Phrase number 8 is a classic native way to offer your counter price. What is your final price? Read it twice. ما هو السعر النهائي؟ ما هو السعر النهائي؟
ما هو السعر النهائي؟ ما هو السعر النهائي؟
Phrase number 9 is a phrase you use to stay within a specific spending limit. My budget is. Read it twice. ميزانيتي هي. ميزانيتي هي.
ميزانيتي هي. ميزانيتي هي.
Word number 10 is a great adjective to use if you successfully find a fair deal. Cheap. Read it twice. رخيص. رخيص. رخيص.
رخيص. Once you agree on a price, you need to execute the deal. Phrase number 11 is I will take it. Read it twice. سآخذه. سآخذه.
سآخذه. سآخذه.
Phrase number 12 is how you ask if you can pay with physical cash. Read it twice. هل يمكنني الدفع نقداً؟ هل يمكنني الدفع نقداً؟ هل يمكنني الدفع نقداً؟ هل يمكنني الدفع نقداً؟ Phrase number 13 is for credit card payments. By credit card. Read it twice. ببطاقة الائتمان. ببطاقة الائتمان.
ببطاقة الائتمان. ببطاقة الائتمان.
Phrase number 14 is what you ask for to verify your purchase. The receipt, please. Read it twice. الفاتورة من فضلك. الفاتورة من فضلك.
الفاتورة من فضلك. الفاتورة من فضلك.
Phrase number 15 is a highly respectful phrase used to conclude a business transaction, meaning, may God bless you. Read it twice. بارك الله فيك. بارك الله فيك.
بارك الله فيك. بارك الله فيك.
Incredible execution, John. Now let's test these 15 elements in a live marketplace simulation. I will play the traditional vendor inside the souk, and you are trying to buy a beautiful souvenir. Let's start.
مرحبا. كيف أساعدك؟
أنا أبحث عن عباءة. كم ثمن هذه؟
ثمنها $100. It is $100.
هذا غال جدا. ميزانيتي هي $50. ما هو السعر النهائي؟
Okay. For you, $60.
سآخذه. هل يمكنني الدفع نقدا؟
نعم. Cash is perfect. Hands over item.
الفاتورة من فضلك. بارك الله فيك.
Wow, John. You just bartered a $100 item down to $60 completely in Arabic, like an absolute native.
It feels so empowering to know exactly what to say without backing down. To our amazing community practicing with us, what is the best deal you have ever bartered for while traveling? Tell us in the comments section below.
Let us know your shopping experiences so we can answer you directly.
Give this video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to Core Arabic 101 and hit that bell icon to join us for our next step-by-step masterclass.
مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
Happy shopping, everyone.